Hey everybody, it's attorney Aaron Watson here. Today's video is welcoming our new clients, also welcoming potential clients. If you want to learn more about the Watson firm, today's topic is welcoming everybody to the Watson firm family, especially to all of our new clients. We want you to get to know me. I'm attorney Aaron Watson. Get to know our team here at the Watson firm, but also to get a better understanding of what to expect after your personal injury case. You know, what to expect as it relates to your case and also as it relates to your firm. And so first of all, I want to say thank you for selecting the Watson firm as your personal injury law firm, and welcome to the Watson firm. Let me give you a little intro about me. I'm attorney Aaron Watson. I grew up here in Pensacola, Florida. A graduate from Pine Forest High School. Some of you may remember Wedgewood Middle School, but my father was a pastor and my brother is a pastor here in town. I come from a family of preachers. I'm the first lawyer in my family, and I do a lot of my preaching, shall I say, in the courtroom, fighting for justice for my clients. And so, I chose personal injury law after being mentored by several lawyers that inspired me. There's something about being able to stand up against the big guy. Sometimes it's a big corporation, sometimes it's a big insurance company, but there's something about fighting for justice for folks who don't necessarily know their way around the courtroom. They don't know insurance law, personal injury law, Florida bad faith law, and certainly a lot of them don't have doctorate degrees, but there's something about using my time, my talent, my education to go and fight battles for my client. It almost reminds me of David and Goliath, I enjoy fighting battles and teaming up and partnering with my clients to achieve justice. And so, I started the Watson firm to achieve that goal of getting justice for our clients, but also our mantra and our vision here at the firm is transforming lives. Our vision for the Watson firm is to transform lives, inspire hope, and uplift the communities that we serve. That's our mission. Our mission statement is to relentlessly pursue financial justice, empower our clients, and achieve community prosperity. And that's just to give you a little foretaste into the Watson firm. Some of our core principles are faith, excellence. We have this thing called the gold standard around here, where we strive to achieve excellence in advocacy, excellence in customer service, and excellence in the pursuit of achieving justice for our clients. Integrity, that's just essentially, being honest, having a hunger to succeed. That's something that I talk about with my team, that, we have to be hungry for justice. And also community, being able to uplift our community is something that our law firm is about. And so I wanted to introduce you to our law firm today. I wanted to introduce you to the process of personal injury law. This is a partnership that we're on together. Whether you're a new client or if you're looking at evaluating our law firm for potential representation, there's something on this video for everybody. And so for those who are our new clients, again, welcome to the firm. You could have chosen any other law firm, but you decided to hire the Watson firm, and we're excited about partnering with you. And let me tell you what I mean by partnership. I was on a kayak with my wife the other day, and I was up front and she was behind me. And the thing about kayaking is you have to be on the same page. I can't be rowing to the left and trying to turn one way while you're rowing to the right and trying to turn the other way. We have to be in sync. We have to know where we're going. We have to know what our goals are. And that's sort of what you think about when you think about hiring a personal injury lawyer. Before retaining a law firm, you were probably out in that kayak on your own and not necessarily knowing where to go, how to get it done. Those waves start to get choppy. When I talk about waves, I'm talking about medical bill waves, wage loss waves, an injured body, injured mind, pain and suffering damages, after an accident. It truly does change your life, and unless you know what to do in that scenario, it can be scary out there. But when you hire the Watson firm, you've hired a partner with you. You're no longer in that boat alone. You're no longer going through it alone. You have some sort of navigation because you've joined hands with a law firm who's handled thousands of these cases. We know how to get justice for our clients. We know which way to go, whether it's left or right. But hiring a law firm isn't a situation where you've retained a lawyer, and so you can kind of set it and forget it. We're in the boat together. It's a partnership. And so, there's going to be a lot of times throughout our representation where we have to call you to get information. There's going to be times where you call us to get information. You say, hey, Attorney Watson, the insurance company called me. What do I say? What do I do? I've not experienced this before. And so it's important that we are in synchrony, and it's important that we have the same end goal, which is achieving justice for you. But keep in mind that although I'm the lead attorney on all of the cases at our law firm, there's a lot more folks in this boat. When you hire the Watson firm, you not only hire Attorney Aaron Watson, but you also hire some of our other attorneys as well. And so each one of our cases has me assigned to the case, has another attorney assigned to the case, whether it's an associate attorney, but also our case managers, who are also very seasoned in how to move the case, how to make sure that case progresses along to recover financial compensation for our clients, whether that be through settlement and negotiations, or whether it be through litigation. There's also our case investigators, our private investigators. Additionally, we have our paralegal. We have records fulfillment folks who all they do is when you go to the doctor, they're sitting there requesting your medical records, requesting your bills, so that you don't have to go and grab bills and records for us. We already have it here in-house. We have closing specialists. After your case settles, there's a lot of bills and liens, and you have to deal with health insurance companies. Our team, we are prepared to deal with all of that. And so that's what happens when you hire the Watson firm. You're hiring our personal injury team, our investigators, our attorneys, our accounting department. It's everybody to make sure that we ensure that you receive the financial compensation to the fullest extent of the law. And so, it isn't a situation where you hire us and say, all right, you guys go and get it. We want to partner with you, and we're excited about partnering with you. And whether it be in the courthouse, whether it be through mediation or settlement negotiations, we're going to work together as a team, you and I, you and the firm, to make sure that we achieve financial justice for you. And so, whenever we're, with my wife and I, when we were kayaking, we had to communicate with one another. I had to say, okay, honey, we should start rowing left. And sometimes she'd say, all right, honey, we need to start rowing right. It's the same thing with us. With personal injury cases, you won't hear from your lawyer every day or every week. Your lawyer will call you, or the